This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix can't hear anything unless enable speaker on iPhone. If you're having this issue, follow these easy steps to fix it. The first solution is disable silent mode and increase your ringer volume. Open your iPhone settings and tap on sounds and haptics. And from here, increase the ringtone and alerts volume. And then check the issue. The second solution is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility, tap on touch, scroll down and tap on call audio routing, and here select speaker and then check the issue. The third solution is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and then check the issue. The fourth solution is clean the speaker. You can use a soft cloth or a tissue paper to gently clean your iPhone speaker and then check the issue. The last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix the can't hear anything issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.